Hello you guys, welcome to today's video. Today is something I'm super duper excited to review and to show you guys and actually dig in myself. I haven't even opened the box up. I wanted to save it. I just got it in the mail yesterday and I wanted to save it for you guys so we could both be surprised. This company is called Simply Earth and they are an essential oil company. I know I've seen Kristen K review them before and the stuff that she's like made with their products looks super cool. So I was so excited when they emailed me because I was like, heck yeah, I am definitely gonna try this out. So it looks like they have single oils, jewelry. I wonder if it's jewelry that you can like put essential oils in. That'd be cool. Accessories, blends, and then the recipe box. So the recipe box is what they actually sent me and I'm super excited to dig in because I've never done anything like this before. I've definitely ordered from like Young Living or doTERRA, the direct sales companies, and those oils are phenomenal. I love them. But I'm excited to try something else. You know, I'm always up for trying new essential oils. I have bought them before from the store and they are just not the same. The prices are definitely lower than those other companies. A lot lower actually, so that's good. Make your home natural with our essential oil recipe box. It includes 4 essential oils, natural ingredients, and fun extras. So it sounds like it was $150 value and it's $39 a month. They are sold out of the October's box, but you can reserve your November box now. So I will link everything down below in my description box if you guys want to check them out, all the details. Subscribe and save $100 plus value compared to the big essential oil companies. Plus you get a free big bonus box your first month when you subscribe today. Okay, so that's what they sent me. They sent me, it's like basically like a regular recipe box and then the bonus box, which I think is kind of your starter kit that has like the carrier oil and I see some beeswax in here. So we will dig into that in a second. They've got pure ingredients, fun and easy recipes for a toxin-free home. When I open up the box, there is this smaller little box in here when I open up the big one, and this is the essential oil recipe box. So I think first we'll dig into that, and then what are these? These look to be little stickers. Okay, yeah, so it's like little stickers, so when you make your own stuff, you can label it. Yeah, you've got your own little labels. Then these look to be the little recipe cards. And there's the little recipes on the front. And then on the back, it just has a little bit more information. And we are definitely gonna go through and make a couple of these. I'm seeing a chai tea bath salt, lime and eucalyptus roll-on. I wanna make that one for sure. For energy, congestion relief, and an uplifting aroma. Ooh, I want that one for sure. Tranquility and lime diffuser blend, oatmeal and milk bath, eucalyptus shower steamers. Ooh, I want that. I totally want that. And then lavender buds and tranquility milk bath. So I'm assuming each month you get different recipes. So that's a lot of recipes. Okay, cool. The first thing I'm seeing in this box is this little bag pouch. I'm not really sure what you use it for, but I'm sure we'll find out. And then here I'm seeing some dried lavender flowers, some powdered whole milk. So I'm sure this could be used for the milk bath. And then in here, you've got 4 of the full-size essential oils. There's a Tranquility, eucalyptus, lime, and cinnamon. And oh my gosh, I have to say I'm very excited about these scents because eucalyptus is one of my favorites. Whenever I'm feeling congested or sick, I just love to smell that. And I feel like it just helps. And you can't go wrong with lime. Cinnamon is perfect for the holidays. So I am super excited about these. I'll open up the eucalyptus and give it a smell. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I'm gonna go take a shower real quick with this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You guys know that I love a DIY and I love making stuff myself. So this is perfect. I'm so excited to dig in and actually make some stuff. All right, next I'm seeing some beeswax. So, is this to make like a lip balm or something? I'm not really sure. So now I'm actually digging into the bonus box. So that the beeswax was the first thing in there. And then now I'm seeing a big old jug of coconut oil. Cool. Because if you're familiar with essential oils, you definitely need a carrier oil to mix everything with if you're gonna apply it to your body. Okay, so it's nice and sealed. That's cool. scent. So yeah, it just looks to be like normal old coconut oil. Cool. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. All right, let me see here. I'm seeing a ton of these little roller balls so you can make your own stuff. Oh, that is so cool. So I'm also seeing these are just like little essential oil containers that are empty so you can make your own. Oh, I bet that's what that's for. Okay. You get so much stuff. Oh my goodness. All right, the other two things I see in here is a coconut oil that is liquid. That other one was solid. And then an almond oil. So these are 100% pure carrier oils. So yeah, I really have no idea what you do with these, but I'm going to find out. And then we are gonna make some. I'm so excited to dig in and try this stuff. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is I think we're gonna make the eucalyptus shower steams first. All right, so the first one we're gonna make are these eucalyptus shower steamers, and you're gonna need some baking soda, the coconut oil. I'm just following everything that it says on the little recipe cards. It does call for these lavender things, but we don't end up using them. And then you're going to need the lime essential oil and the eucalyptus, and then of course a little mold. And I figured since it's fall and Halloween that I would use these little pumpkins. So the first thing it says to do, in a bowl, heat the coconut oil until just melted using a double boiler or in a microwave using 10-second increments. So I'm just going ahead and using my little pan, and then I'm going to put this little Pyrex on top. This is how I melt like my little candy for the candy molds. This is just how I do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It's the solid one. I'm going to put it in the bowl and then just go ahead and let this melt. I accidentally took my eyes off the water and it started boiling pretty good, so I just went ahead and removed it from the heat and then stirred it up, and it was pretty much all completely melted. And I am horrible at following directions apparently, because it says to add the essential oils before adding the baking soda. Well, I did not read that. So I think they're going to turn out just fine anyways. So after you melt the coconut oil, you're going to go ahead and add your essential oils, which I forgot to do. And then you're going to add the baking soda, and then you're going to stir it until it's crumbly. And then once you're done, well, this is when I read the recipe and I was like, oh crap, I got to add the essential oils. So I just went ahead and added it while I was stirring this still. And then once you get everything stirred in, you're going to put it into the mold and like press it in. And can I just tell you how good this mixture smells? It is amazing, and I cannot wait to try it in the actual shower and see how it smells. But that lime mixed with the eucalyptus, oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. So I'm just packing these in, just pushing it down with my little spatula. And this amount made like the perfect amount to fill all of the little pumpkins. So this was like the perfect little amount. And then we are going to let it sit for 24 hours, and then I will come back and show you guys what they look like. So I didn't end up waiting the full 24 hours because I'm too impatient and I wanted to show you guys, but I even put them in the fridge for a little while just to harden, and they turned out perfect. I did try them out in the shower last night, and it smelled wonderful. Also, I forgot to mention, but I think I'm going to end up making a batch of these and gifting them as Christmas gifts to some of my friends and family, because any of these little recipes would be great Christmas gifts. All right, so the next one we're going to do is the lime and eucalyptus roll-on, and this is not nearly as time consuming as the first one. And so you're just going to go ahead and take one of the little roller balls that is given to you in the kit, and you're just going to go ahead and add your essential oils. So these call for 3 drops of the lime essential oil, 3 drops of the eucalyptus essential oil, and then 10 milliliters of the fractionated coconut oil, which is just basically the remaining in the bottle of the liquid coconut oil that you're given. So after you add the essential oils, you're going to want to swirl it around a little bit to mix it, and then you're going to fill the rest of the way with that coconut oil. And then to use this one, you're just going to go ahead and blend it onto your pulse points for energy, congestion relief, and an uplifting aroma. And this one smells really, really good too. And then next, I'm going to take the little sticker that this came with and cut it out, and I can put this sticker right on the roller ball so I know exactly what it is. I thought this was such a cute little idea, that you can label everything that you make so you know exactly what it is. All right, for this last one, we're going to do the Tranquility and Lime Diffuser blend, and this one is so easy. All you're going to need is your Tranquility oil, your lime oil, and then your 5 milliliter bottle, the little empty one that comes with the kit. And all you're going to do to make the blend is do 50 drops of each essential oil, so 50 of the Tranquility and 50 of the lime, and then that is it. You're just going to fill that. It completely fills the entire bottle, and then when you're ready to use it, you're just going to put 1 to 3 drops in your diffuser, and that one is so easy, and it smells amazing. So I went ahead and cut out the little sticker label for this one as well and put that on the bottle so I knew exactly what it was. And if you guys don't have a diffuser and you are interested in getting this kit and possibly a diffuser, I found this one on Amazon and it was super inexpensive. I want to say it was under $15. So I will try to find it for you guys and link it down below, but it's really cute. It just has like 3 different settings of the diffusing, and then it also has the light. So I just went ahead and I think I added like 5 drops, which is a little too many, but it came out really fast. But this blend smells really good, and I've been having it going in our house, and I just love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I love reviewing different products and items, and especially stuff that I really, really like. Like, I love essential oils, and I had so much fun with this. So thank you to Simply Earth for sending this box to me. This was so much fun making the recipes. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.